Oh my god, look where he's going. He's going to someone's workplace.
Left, right avenue. It wasn't
wrong way. It's gone the wrong way. Oh, lads. Okay. Oh, lads. Oh my
so now
god.
Subject movement. Stand by.
I'm loving this. Whoa.
And it's onto that dual carriageway.
How has he done that? Look at that, lad. Look, how has he got that? Alright lads, we're back with a crazy police chase of Vauxhall Astra in the UK, and he almost gets away, but we're going to find out in this video. Let's watch it together, lads. And before you do that, smash the like button and subscribe if you're new. Alright, we're going now.
Right, it's lads. Stop now, stand by.
It's on standby, lads. Let's go.
So it's across the A127, stand by for road name.
Oh, he's going for it, lads.
Hoppy thick lane, like I said, advanced T-pack.
Oh, the boss! That's crazy. He's almost getting away, lads.
Subject vehicle is overtaking vehicle 7-0 in a 3-0, medium risk due to speed and manner of driving.
That's a high risk, man. That's going fast. Lads, what we saying, man?
A red traffic signal, left on
oh, left.
Road name. Pretty well chase.
He's almost getting away, lads. In the Vauxhall Astra. Is he gonna get away, man? Because there's 3-4 cops chasing after him. Let's find out.
Stand by. It's a reciprocal. On Prittlewell Chase, and then left.
Busting it left, right.
For road
Watch how many cars there are, man. Look at that. This is mad.
Cleveland Drive, 6-0 in a 3-0. Light traffic, no pedestrian traffic. Left.
This
Stand by
is
for road
dangerous,
name.
man. This is. Oh.
There is now some pedestrian traffic. Still light vehicular traffic. Risk is medium. Subject is right,
what the hell?
Onto
Did you see that?
North Road.
That scooter. Oh my god, oh!
Go ahead.
Yo!
Still medium risk, bulked by traffic now.
This is high risk, bro. Oh my god, he's overtaking the right lane.
Shoots authorised and tactical phase received. Right, Boston Avenue. Still light traffic. Pedestrian traffic, 6-0.
The suspensions are all broken now. Oh my god. Lads, we've got to pause
this will be a sting and a multi-car box.
Lads, that police car is getting absolutely smashed. What the hell, man? What is he doing? It's a brand new police car. It's gonna end up going to Colport. But that Astra is cheap. Like, it doesn't even matter. But he's smart though, because he's trying to get away. But the cop car, he's trying to break his car. You know, he's trying to.
For a decamp.
Oh my god! Look where he's going. He's going to someone's workplace. Oh. I messed up with the edit there, lads. Look, he's in like a workplace right now, yeah. Look, there's like work things happening, HS2 business, buildings. He's driving in the workplace trying to get away, man. There we go.
And I stand by, we've gone through that building site, and now back out onto Baxter.
This is like GTA. Look at another delivery biker. Yo, captain.
Driver is a white tail, short dark hair.
Man, the speed bumps are mad. This is a crazy video, lads.
Stand by.
I'm loving this. Whoa!
And it's onto that dual carriageway.
How has he done that?
It's wrong way on the dual carriageway.
He's not driving on the grass. He's doing the police driver to make more mistake than the thief on wrong hand. What is going on?
Oh no, stand by, correction.
Has he got away?
13, then left onto Park Street.
He's probably gone right. Oh my god, they have
I've
to
lost sight of the subject vehicle. I'm going to go left back onto Baxter Avenue.
Baxter Avenue, I don't know where that is, lads. Come down with
Unit standby, Sierra Romeo 211, advanced RDP behind the vehicle. Road decision dry, traffic is light, I'm happy to pursue.
Man, lads, this is serious, man. It's getting heated up now.
Vehicle is now left, Chelmsford Avenue. Speed of 35 miles an hour. We've got a passenger filming us out the window.
Whoa, lads, we need to find that.
35 miles an hour.
It's going 53 miles per hour, lads.
A passenger filming us out the window.
A passenger filming us out the window. Oh, lads, it's basically doing like a Snapchat going, this feds ain't catching us today. Well, the risk is high at this point, I think. Okay.
Stand by for decamp into a building site.
Whoa.
Building site again.
Back out onto Boston Avenue.
No, I think he's gone in again. This Astra's like...
I'll just stick with it for the time being until I'm with you.
Well, they've got away now, haven't they?
Vehicle's going to go right.
Right. There's a cop car chasing him.
The wrong way. Stand by.
Nice BMW.
It's gone wrong way.
It's gone the wrong way. Oh, lads, he's a driver, man. Well, not a good driver, like a dangerous driver. I don't condone this, by the way. Educational purposes.
Now Tunbridge Road, speed
try to-
35. Pedestrian traffic is light. I know I've got a T-Pack unit behind me. When I get the first opportunity, I'll come out your way.
What's all that lights on the dashboard? I didn't get out. Oh my god, the guy. Oh my god, there's people watching. Ooh, over the curb. Taxi driver. Lads.
Stand by.
Oh, where's the chopper? They should be stopping this police chase, man. It's dangerous, man. Man, I'm sweating,
Back
man.
onto Penhurst Avenue.
Is he gonna get away? Oh, jeez. Oh, lads.
Vehicle 40,
Two police cars.
40
Oh,
miles
there's
an
a third
hour.
police car. Opposite way. Yeah, there's 3 police cars, man. Oh my god, they should have put stingers out there, man.
Vehicle full of red ATS at 40.
This guy is proper from the hoods, man. Whoa.
Continues London Road. You know, you have to take over.
Where's the
Chef,
demons
just
at,
a bit of
man?
room. 4-3, now pursuit commander again. T-Pack
They're not
train,
stopping
marked
straight
vehicle
now. They're putting 1.4
continues.
litre, 90
West
brake
Street,
horsepower.
subject bulked by traffic.
Oh wow, wow, it's getting cold. It's getting, oh, what a gap. We've got to
That's a
rewind that,
minor
lads.
collision. Remember the
Got to
public.
rewind that, lads. Oh my lad,
Street,
look at this,
subject
look at
bulked by
this.
traffic.
Look at that, lad. Look, how is it gapped that? How is it gapped that? How is it gapped that? Seriously. How is
That's
it
a
not-
minor collision. Remember the public.
watching.
No other inconvenience calls. There will be no injuries. TA, go ahead.
No injuries. This is like
That's
dangerous.
subject
man.
left. Brave
Ooh,
Avenue. There wasn't
rewind that,
nearly a
lads.
collision. Remember the
Lads. They said no injuries. Yeah, look at this.
That's subject left.
Look at that. Look how close they are hitting that guy's feet. He's almost ran it over like a pancake. Look.
Brake.
There. Oh my lads. That is so scary, man.
That's subject left. Brayley Avenue. There was nearly a collision. But remember the public that did have to move out of the
That's
way.
another couple of more
the
years
risk of this
in jail, that
pursuit
is.
is now high. We do need to resolve it. And we have tactical options and stingers set up around Southend.
Finally, stingers, lads. Ooh, is he horny?
Left. Back onto London Road. Is there a stinger site on London Road towards the Nick, please?
Come on now. Come on, please. Do a good job.
The second.
This is the longest race.
Back
Oh,
towards
what
the
a
police station.
smart
It's a last
move,
minute
smart move.
left, Boston Avenue. Again, we're doing loops.
Ooh, police car's getting mashed up, man.
Stand by for a junction.
Okay. Oh, lads. Oh my
So now
god.
subject-
That old man just about dodged it. Look. It's just about, he almost went the wrong way. Oh, he dodged it. Good dodge, man.
They're now subjects wrong way on Victoria Avenue on the
Oh
carriageway.
my God, this is
I'll
going
shadow
on
on the
forever,
correct with
lads.
lights off.
Is he gonna get away, man? Oh, there he is, like bang bang, chili. Crash, go. If he was gonna crash the way he's driving, 1,000%. They're chasing him now. Oh, guys, got squash, the sick, the weapon. He's chasing him.
I'm a taser!
Oh.
Do not move! Stay there! Stand on the floor!
She was chasing
On the
him.
floor!
There we go. We got him, lads. We got him. Oh man, that was mad. You know what? Let's quickly go on the comment sections quick. Well, we need to like hold on. Where's all the comments? Seriously, lads, there's no comments. There's no comments in this video. It's got 1.1 million views and there's no comments. You know what? I think we should drop a comment, lads. We just have to do it. Good job, guys. Well done. There you go. First comment, man. There you go, lads. Lads, if you guys enjoyed that video, man, that was so intense. I can't even describe it to you guys, but let me know what you guys think. Did they please do a good job? Or is that Astra driver a driver to get away that long? But let me know in the comments down below. Smash the like button, and if you're new, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Fellow brother hood sticks. Peace out.